Hi student, in previous lecture we discussed the call by value. Then in this lecture we discussed call by reference. How the pointer can be used in a function. The second method is a call by reference. Here the swap is the name of a function. I can be write the small module related to the call by reference. Swap is the name of a function, and here in the call by reference we use the actual pointer int star. Here any variable which can be hold the address of the integer variable int star. It may be the after that the star any variable name which is hold the address of the another integer variable. Next a and b is the two variable. Swap, here we can be use the address of operator, that is and a and b. Again this statement is a function definition statement, defining statement, and block of data can be written here. What is the call by reference concept? When specific portion of a program invoking or running function, at that time the control transfer from main function to the calling portion. In the call by reference, the address of actual argument copied to the formal argument. During function running, the value of a variable may be changed or altered. This changed value transfer back to the main function when control transfer to the main function. Changed value transfer back to the main function because address of a formal argument and address of the actual argument is the same. So changed value in a formal argument affect to the actual argument. So in a call by reference, the value may be changed. Value of the variable is changed because address of actual argument copied to the formal argument. During function running, value may be changed or altered. This changed value transfer back to the main function because address of actual argument and the formal argument is the same. That is a call by reference. By using this the module, we can be write a program in C++ to exchange content of a two variables. Write a program in C++ to exchange content of two variable, exchanging content of two variable, using call by reference. First, hash include iostream.h. Next one is a function declaration statement, void. I can be used. The name of function is swap. Here pointer can be used to declare the arguments of the function int star. Here also we can be write int star a comma int star b. Next is a void main. In a function, before declaring void main, function definition must be declared. Function declaration statement must be used before the void main. Next, int a and b. Here a and b is an integer variable. First we input the value of these the two variable. Cout, enter values. Cin a b. Okay. Next one is the function calling statement. Swap int int star and a and b. This statement is a function calling statement. After that, outputting will be written in a first block in a function program. Cout after typing the exchanging content of a and b. So the output of the variables is a is equal to value is in a, b is equal to the value is in a, or we also write Cout a value is a, which is exchanging value. Cout b is equal to b. Here first block will be the completed. Next one is a function. Next one is a function definition. Function definition block is the same as that of the function declaration. First void swap int star a int star b. Here a is a pointer variable, b is a pointer variable which hold integer declaration of the variable, address of an integer variable. B is hold the address of the another integer variables. Next, in this the block actual content of the function or the body of the function can be write. I required one variable temp, temporary variable t, and we can be use the logic of exchanging content of a two variable. T is equal to a. Temporary, the value of a is stored in a t. But here we can't write only a. We use star a. The content of a pointer variable is transferred to t. When we can be write this way statement, it hold the address of an integer variable. But if we use the statement, after that equal to star, we can be used. At that time, it consider as the actual value. Value of a is assigned to the t variable. After that, a is assigned the value of b. So I can be write star a is equal to star b. Star b is equal to value of a is hold in a t. When specific, that is a program of the exchanging content of a two variable. The theory of the call by reference is, we can be revise the theory. When specific portion of a program invoking or running the function, control is transferred from main function to the calling portion. At that time, address of actual argument copied to the formal argument. Here not a value. Address of actual argument copied to the formal argument. During function running, value of a variable is changed or altered. This changed value transfer back to the main function because address of the actual argument is the same as that of a address of a formal argument. So changed value transfer back to the main function, that is called as a call by reference. And in a board examination, this program can be asked for a 5 marks. Write a program in a C++ to exchange content of a two variable or swap the content of a two variable using pointer. That is the call by reference. Output of this the program is, if a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. After execution of this the program, output is a is equal to 20, b is equal to 10. Because here the value can be changed. Due to copying address of actual argument to the formal argument. That is called as a call by reference. Thank you.